Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and studying well at home. Right now we are going to start chapter number 3, that is understanding quadrilaterals. Now moving to this chapter, first we will understand the term that is quadrilateral. Here is the definition of quadrilateral, which says that quadrilaterals are one type of polygon which has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles along with 2 diagonals. Now children, with the help of one figure, I will make you understand all these terms. I am drawing one rectangle. Okay. Now see children, in rectangle how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 sides. Now how many number of angles are there? This 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This means what? Any shape which has, any shape means any polygon which has number of sides 4, number of angles 4, number of vertices 4, then it is called as a quadrilateral. And 2 diagonals are also there. Diagonals means, see here, if it is the name of the quadrilateral as A, B, C, D, A is the vertex, opposite to A is C vertex. When you join A and C, you will get one line segment, that is called as the diagonal. Another one is B and D, opposite to B is D. When you join B and D, you will get another line segment which is the diagonal. So when a shape, a polygon has 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals, then it is said as a quadrilateral. Understood children? Now we will move towards our main topics of this chapter. Coming to the main topic, first topic it is the definition of polygon. Important, very important, children, write it down. It is saying that a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Very easy. The 2 conditions are, first is it has to be, the curves has to be closed and it has to be made up of line segments, then it is said as a polygon, otherwise it is not a polygon. So see here, all these shapes are closed and even made up of polygons. Another side, these are the polygons, but in this children, see, they are not closed, it is not closed, right, and it is merging here. So such kind of polygons are not called as the, such kind of curves are not called as the polygons. Understood children? Now if we take one more example, let's suppose I take one example as a circle. Now circle is a closed curve, right, but circle is not made up of line segments, so we will not consider circle as a polygon. Understood children? Now next topic is the classification of polygons. The classification of polygons, when we are doing, it is based on the number of sides. First classification of polygon is based on number of sides. So when number of sides are 3, that time the shape is a triangle. When the number of sides are 4, then we will say the name of the polygon as quadrilateral. When the number of sides are 5, it is called as pentagon. When number of sides are 6, it is hexagon. When number of sides are 7, it is heptagon. When number of sides are 8, it is octagon. When number of sides are 9, then it is called as nonagon. Number of sides are 10, then it is decagon. Now these are the few shapes which you can see here. When the number of sides are 5, then the shape is like this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is the shape pentagon. So in the question, if the figure is given, you just count the number of sides. From the number of sides, you can get to know which kind of polygon it is. The name of the polygon you can get to know by this. Okay. Now next we will move towards the curves. Now introduction to curves, in that topic it is said the definition of curve, it is a geometrical figure obtained when a number of points are joined without lifting the pencil from the paper and without retracing any portion. It is basically a line which need not to be straight. It's not necessary that it has to be straight only, and we will draw the curve in such a way that we are drawing when we are not lifting our pen or pencil from the paper, okay, and we are not retracing. Means what? If I am drawing a circle, then I will stop it here as it is closed now. Again I will not retrace, means it is retracing. This we will not do. So such it is called as the curves. Now there are two types of curves. First one is the open curve. The definition is an open curve is a curve in which there is no path from any of its point to the same point. Means what? If I am starting from here and I am ending here, so my starting point is this, ending point is here, okay, the starting and the ending point both are different, so it is an open curve. When the starting point and the ending point both are same, so it is called as the closed curve, right? The definition of closed curve is a closed curve is a curve that forms a path from any of its point to the same point. Now third, C, a closed curve which is not simple. It is made up of line segments. It is closed only, but it's not simple. So these were the few definitions regarding to the curves. Now children, in the next lecture we will understand about regular and irregular polygons. So by then you just watch this video. Okay children, thank you children.